Hey, this is Ray from Trick Best Supplies. Today we are going to be installing the Fas-Top Traveler. I did have this installed already on the truck, however I installed it so that I can get a in-depth review for you guys on the installation. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So what comes with the Traveler, so you'll get everything that you need in order to install the cover correctly. If you got the Fas-Top Traveler, the standard, you will get black anodized rails, whereas if you got the Fas-Top Traveler Sport, then you will get the silver mill aluminum finish rails. But this is a standard, so it is black anodized. You get 2 rails, you get your tarp in order to hold the topper when it's stowed away, the tonneau cover, your clamps, C clamps or S clamps if you have a utility track, your 2 pivots which will hold the topper, and then all the bolts, nuts, washers, all of that needed. And then you do need either drill, ratchet, and a 9/16 drive. And then it also lastly comes with the soft topper. I did not install the rods, but I'll try my best to get you guys an idea of how to install that. So the installation is pretty simple. I prefer starting off with installing the tonneau cover, but regardless, we do need to get these rails on. So first thing first is you're going to want to make sure that the rails line up together, and then you're going to want to push the rails back against the cab as far as possible. So when you get the cover, you should notice that in these channels you do have your T-nuts. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T-nuts. You're going to want 1 T-slack here for the tailgate, 1 by the cab side, and then you want 2 for the pivot, and then another 1 here for the clamp. So I'll leave that on top. So this is the Ford F-150. It's a short bed, the 5.5 foot bed. We need 3 C clamps. We have 1 here by the tailgate, 1 here in the middle, and then 1 here by the cab side. And then we're gonna leave 2 right here. This is for the pivot. Secure. When you take the pivot, so it won't come like this. These 2 will be attached, but essentially you kind of just take this nut and then bolt it on and screw it on, and then you want this part to be at the top and it will attach to it like this. Very important is going to be where you place this pivot, because that is going to affect the fitment of the topper. Or in the installation guide, pretty much what you're going to find is a measurement depending on your vehicle of where to place the pivot, and you will measure it from the end of the rail all the way back to where the measurement says. Fas-Top will usually have some point on here though that lets you know where to install the pivot, and that is just going to line up here like this. Everything is secure, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So once the rails are installed, now it is time for the tonneau cover. You'll see the tonneau covers will have 2 ends. Have these 2 end points right here, and those are going to be bolted on through here on both sides. You want to make sure this is in the center, because it can be offset to the left or the right. So usually what I like to do is just check on the sides and make sure the Velcro is lined up on both ends. it. The tonneau cover is installed. Now we can move on to the topper. Now we can install the tarp. You see more T-slot nuts in here. And pretty much just line it up. So installing the saw topper is super easy. Essentially what you want to do is, so this aluminum frame is not going to be attached to it. It's only going to be attached to the topper. You have the window, and then you will have your latch bar. So basically, what you'll do is you're going to make sure these colors match. The other side does not have colors, so you want to match the colors with the color. And this is how it should pretty much look like if you're looking at it like this. And then here is the window, and then the bar on the top. I'm gonna grab these pins because this is what's essentially gonna lock it into place. I'll have this bar up, pretty much holding up the topper, and then I'll have everything stored away here at the bottom. And then the pivot should look like this. And you should be able to pop it in. And the same thing on the other side. And then from there, you're gonna take your pins, pop in the washer, lock that in. So now that the topper is in here, you want to install this correctly. So we do have the window. So the window we're actually gonna have to, I'm gonna have to wrap it around and Velcro it onto the tonneau cover here. Same thing as before, we're gonna want to center it. Once we have that, then what we're gonna do is pretty much lift up the topper. Highly recommend you want to take the bar. I like to lay it on top of the rails, and you want to reach from under and make sure that you grab all the bows and the whole frame from underneath, and then use that to come up. Once it is past the tonneau cover, you can pretty much take the top bar and expand the cover. From here, you will have these straps. Lock these down on the tailgate side first. Then you will have the straps on the back side as well. Lock those down, and then we tighten them. Then from there, you're pretty much done. All you have to do is bring this down. Start from the middle, pull, and then come over to the cap side. And then you want to sit the window down, finish off the Velcro. Good in place, and then you do the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. I hope the video was super helpful. It's a pretty easy install. It took me around 45 minutes to an hour, and this is while we're filming. If you were interested in the Fas-Top Traveler, head over to truckbestsupplies.com. We'll make sure to get you the right one, right part number for your vehicle, and the best deal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.